So let's learn some new, interesting, and probably challenging verbs. Um, alza. Alza means to hoist or to lift up or to rise up something, to hoist something up. Saka is another similar verb. Mosaka is like something that will be going up, will be rising. So saka and alsa, they're similar, but saka is just something that's gonna rise, rising up, right? Alsa can mean that too. And alsa is actually a Spanish loan word. Gawad means to deny something. It can mean to deny something to someone or whatever. It's to deny something. Recomenda means to recommend. Pakatawo means to be born. And you should already know why gi is usually always there, because if an action is happening, right? If that action is happening, it started in that aspect. You should know why gi is already there, because something is being born, right? Oh, you were already born. You cannot say that you will be born, right? It doesn't make sense. But you were born, right? Samad is to injure or to wound. Okay, samad, it means wound or injury or to injure someone. That d, you should already know that d will change, right? The samad to a ra when we conjugate these verbs with the d at the end, right? Kalat means to scatter. It can also mean like to scatter any mess around, just to scatter things around. Layag means to sail, like a ship. Hidlao means mingao, right? You're longing for something, or you miss something, or you're wishing for something, you're hoping for something, right? You long for it, oh, I miss this, or you miss somebody, right? Hidlao. Mingao can mean something similar to like I miss you, right? Hidlao can be something like, oh, I miss this place. So you long for something, longing. Balaka means to worry. Lupad means to fly. Sulay means to try or test out something, whether you can try out an experiment, you can try out clothes, you can try out something just to test out the waters and check out, just to see if something will happen or go or whatever. Dako means to catch or to capture. So you can capture something or you can catch something. You can catch a ball, you can catch a running animal, just whatever, right? Dako. Likai means to avoid or evade. To avoid something, to evade situations, right? How as means to unload. How as, right? How as, unload. Apod means to distribute, right? To distribute. Hapak means to smack or to slap or to strike. It's like, as long as you hear that smacking sound or that striking sound, that's hapak, Hapak is that. So you can smack or hit somebody or, slap somebody, bam. Don't get it confused with sumbag. It's like sumbag is like to actually like punch or hit or strike or smack somebody like that. Naog means to get off or get down from something to somewhere. It can be like getting down or getting off of a jeep, getting off of the stage, or I don't know. You can just get off, right? Get off or get down. Tungtong means to climb or step up. To climb or step up. And of course, like you got your slangs and stuff like that that get incorporated. Sunod means to follow. Gamang means to creep or to crawl, like in a quiet way, I guess, or like to just kind of creep behind you or to crawl or just be stealthy about something, right? Creep or crawl, like a baby crawling, or you can even crawl yourself. Bitay means to hang, like to hang things outside, maybe in a line. You can hang your dirty laundry in a line, pambitay. Bitay can just mean like you're hanging something. Daot means to destroy or to make something unusable, or to I guess, destruct something to make it unusable, to destroy. Yeah. Gorog means to shake or vibrate back and forth. Gorog gorog, like if there's an earthquake, or if your car is if you're starting your engine of your car, it shakes. The engine just gets started. It's gorog, right? Bukal means to boil. Boil, like you can boil water, stews, soups, stuff like that. Boil fluids. And damgo means to dream. Dream, right? Damgo, it means to dream or have dreams. So this is probably like the first of a lot more verbs.